Now we'll see the third problem. Okay, now trial balance they are given, which what you have to prepare. Final accounts means trading profit and loss account along with the balance sheet you have to prepare. Now first they have given drawings. Drawings means it is 6,000, capital means 35,000 you have, because capital always shows credit balance and drawings shows debit balance here. Okay, so drawings, what we are going to do, 6,000 we are going to record it in the balance sheet liability side. You are going to less it with a capital 6,000 rupees. Okay, here you are going to less it with the capital rupees 6,000. Okay, then next you have capital of rupees 35,000. You are going to record it in the balance sheet liability side, capital rupees 35,000. Okay, then next they have given purchases and sales. Purchases you have 1,12,000 and sales you have 1,50,000. Both will be recorded in the trading account. Here you have seen two purchases, debit side you have to record 1,12,000. By sales will be recorded credit side 1,50,000. Then sales returns you have 2,000, which you have to less it with the sales. So less sales returns 2,000. So balance we have 1,48,000 here. The next you have discount rupees 2,000 and 2,000. 2,000 debit means allowed, 2,000 debit credit means earned. Okay, so discount allowed will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. To discount allowed rupees 2,000, by discount earned rupees 2,000. Okay, the next they have given debtors and creditors 15,000 and 1,38,000. So debtors it is asset, creditors means liability. So both will be recorded in the balance sheet here. See, under the head of current assets, debtors we have 15,000 and creditors we have 13,800. And see in the adjustment with regard to debtors they are given, create RDD at 5% on debtors. So debtors value how much we are having, 15,000, on that you are going to create RDD 5%, so 750 it will be on 15,000 5%, 750, so you will get 14,250 here. Same RDD you are going to record in the profit and loss account debit side. To RDD 5%, 750 rupees. Okay, then next you have furniture they have given. Okay, 2,600. Furniture means it is an asset, so it will be recorded in the balance sheet. And check the adjustment, depreciate building by 1,000 and furniture by 600. So furniture you have to depreciate the value, means you have to decrease the value of furniture here, less depreciation, 600 rupees they have asked you to less. So 2,600 minus 600, so you'll get it is 2,000. And depreciation on furniture we are going to record in the profit and loss account debit side here. To depreciation on furniture rupees 600. Then next they have given bank overdraft rupees 4,200. Okay, so you don't have any adjustment with this, so directly you are going to record balance sheet liability side under the head of current liabilities, bank overdraft 4,200 here. Then next what you have after bank overdraft, building. Okay, 24,000. With regard to building we have an adjustment here. See, depreciate building by 1,000 rupees. Building means it is an asset, so it will be recorded under the head of fixed asset here, balance sheet asset side. Building we have 24,000, less depreciation 1,000, so 23,000 will get the balance. Then depreciation on building will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. To depreciation on building 1,000 rupees. Okay, the next you have stock on 1/4/2014, means opening stock it is 20,000, which will be recorded trading account debit side. To opening stock 20,000. The next you have rent. How much you have rent? 1,000. Credit balance they are given, means it is received, so it will be recorded profit and loss account credit side. By rent rupees 1,000. The next you have tax and insurance rupees 2,000. It is the expense you have, so it will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. To tax and insurance rupees 2,000. And they have given in the adjustment there is a prepaid insurance of rupees 200, which you have to less with the insurance here, less 200, prepaid insurance 1,800. So prepaid insurance will be recorded in balance sheet asset side under the head of current assets, prepaid insurance 200 rupees. Okay, then after tax and insurance you have general expense here 4,000, which will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. To general expense 4,000 rupees. Next you have salary rupees 12,000, which will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. To salary rupees 12,000 here. The next you have commission rupees 1,600, that also will be recorded profit and loss account debit side, because indirect expense. To commission 1,600. Carriages we have 2000 which will be recorded in the trading account. 2 carriages 2000 rupees. And next you have bad debts 800 which will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. 2 bad debts rupees 800. Okay, come to adjustments now. Depreciation we have made, all these adjustments we have made. Stock, closing stock they have given which you had to record trading account credit side by closing stock 20,000 and balance sheet asset side under the head of current assets stock 20,000 closing stock it is. Okay, the next what they have said, allow interest on capital at 5%. Okay, so capital balance how much we have 35,000, on that you had to create 5% interest, so you'll get it is 1,750. Okay, the same 1,750 are going to record here. 2 interest on capital profit and loss account debit side, 2 interest on capital 1,750. Okay, other than that all adjustments we have made already. So come to trading account now. First you had total credit side you will get 1,68,000 and less 20,000, 1,12,000 and 2,000. You will get gross profit 34,000 which will be brought down to profit and loss account credit side 34,000. So add this side 34,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,000, so total 37,000 we have. If you less all expenses you will get a net profit here 10,700. This will be added to net profit here, this will be added to capital. So you'll get 47,450 minus 6,000, 41,450 you'll get a closing balance here. So balance sheet total both the side 59,450. Okay, then we'll see the next problem, fourth one, which you try to solve. I already have sent the solution. Okay, try to solve without seeing the solution and cross check it. Okay, now capital where we are going to record balance sheet, liability side, purchases where you had to record trading account debit side, drawings you are going to less it with a capital, right? Then carriage inwards trading account debit side you had to record, carriage outwards profit and loss account debit side. Then loan to Anand, loan to Anand means it is an asset. Okay, you had to record under current assets, balance sheet asset side current assets you are going to record. Then sundry expenses will be recorded profit and loss account debit side. Then debtors will be recorded current assets under the head of current assets, land and building under the head of fixed asset. Okay, bad debts will be recorded profit and loss account debit side, salary profit and loss account debit side because it is a expense we have. So rent tax and insurance profit and loss account debit side. Then discount you have as they are given credit side here balance, so profit and loss account credit side. Okay, printing and stationery profit and loss debit side because it is an expense. Wages you have trading account debit side. Why it is in trading account? Because direct expense. Return inwards means sales returns. Okay, sales returns you are going to less it with a trading account credit side, you are going to less it with a sales. Okay, then sales trading account credit side we will record. Return outwards means purchase returns which you are going to less trading account debit side, you are going to less it with a purchases. Okay, bills receivable asset, so under the head of current asset you will record. Bills payable current liabilities, so you have to record under current liabilities here. Then bank overdraft, it is also current liability you have. Then cash in hand, it is a current asset, you are going to record balance sheet asset side. Then creditors you have current liability. Okay, then opening stock we will record trading account debit side here. Then come to adjustments, closing stock you have trading account credit side and balance sheet you are going to record current assets. Then allow interest on capital 10% which will be recorded profit and loss account debit side, and you are going to balance sheet liability side you are going to add it to capital. Okay, so capital balance they are given here, right? 50,000, on that 10% you have to give, so you'll get it as 5,000. Outstanding salary you have which you are going to add to salary, profit and loss account debit side you are going to add it to salary, and it will be recorded balance sheet liability side. Okay, under the head of current liability. Then create RDD 5% on debtors, you are going to less it with a debtors asset side current assets. Okay, you are going to less it with the debtors and profit and loss account debit side. Then prepaid insurance you are going to less it with profit and loss account debit side are going to less it with a insurance. Okay, then it will be recorded balance sheet asset side under the head of current assets, prepaid, insurance. Already we have here, see, rent, tax and insurance 2500, in that you are going to less 500 prepaid. Okay, then same will be prepaid, will be recorded in the balance sheet asset side. This is the solution you have. Go through the solution. Okay, already I have sent. Listen to the explanation and go through the solution. Then next, fifth problem, try to solve. Okay, some other problems try to solve whichever I have sent to you. Okay.